Hello, it's Dr. Lachman from Cool Dental. Show you a few things that's possible. Sometimes people think, my God, my teeth are too far gone. My only option is to pull them all and go with dentures or go with implants. Well, this particular fellow knew he had severe decay. He knew he had major problems, but he really didn't want false teeth. He didn't want implants. He didn't want false teeth. He wanted to save his mouth. And so I prefer catching things earlier than at this stage, but this is when the fellow decided to come for an appointment. So what we did, we had to remove the decay, we had to do some root canals, but what we were able to do is by placing crowns over top, something that goes all the way around the teeth, we were able to close the gap. So these are the same teeth, the gap is now closed. All of the decay has been removed. And even the decay down here has been removed, okay? So all of the teeth were saved. He was missing some teeth down here, which have now been replaced. But basically, through the benefit of some good technology and some good hard work on many people's parts, we were able to save and rebuild this gentleman's smile and give him what he wanted.